Nature versus nurture. Which one is more important? Nature or nurture? So you think anyway, what makes you is just what you learned from around yourself. What you make your personality is that you've learned in your life. Is that your opinion, right? The only reason we can nurture that is we can't communicate with them. Oh, it's a new point. Is there something else you want to say?
What about you?
I don't deny we have nature. We have nature, special nature, but they can't decide our destiny. Who knows the answer? Which two natural disasters can lead to climate change? Let's say two things
한 번에
can lead to the climate change.
Sunlight.
We have four seasons, right? The winter comes, the sunlight's a little bit weaker, but we don't say it's a climate change, right? So I think you need more explanation.
나
You have to say
asteroid.
natural disaster. Oh, an asteroid. Asteroid what? Asteroids?
hitting earth.
Oh, that's right. Tell me one more natural disaster that lead to climate change. I can give a hint. Okay, climate change can also be caused by natural disasters such as volcanic eruptions and asteroid impacts. Now you know, I think. What?
volcano.
Volcanic
Eruption.
eruptions. Yeah, that's right. Good job. Just tell me 1 second.
Ocean currents.
I mean, that's right. Ocean currents.
Global climate change is nothing new for our planet.
Where is the polar bear's habitat? I mean, that's correct. That's the habitat. Most scientists agree that our planet is currently exploring global
Warming.
warming.
근데 그렇게 일어서는 글로벌 클라이밋 체인지라고
and
나와요.
Global climate change?
그렇게 일어서서 그건
Global,
나오는
global climate change란 말해?
She's right. Global climate
Climate
change. Experiencing global climate change. Seven!
Climate change.
Or a great answer. Humans are responsible for introducing more what into the
What?
atmosphere.
Methane gas.
Wrong. It was close. Methane gas is one of them. You like this color?
Green gas.
Green gas? It sounds like it's a good guess. Greenhouse? What? Greenhouse responsible for introducing more greenhouse what into the
Gases.
atmosphere? That's right. Whoa, gases. During the last ice age, much of the northern hemisphere was covered in
Covered in glaciers.
That's right, glaciers. Process by which gases hold heat in the atmosphere is called the
Global warming.
global